50% off pizza. Welcome back to Dave Eats London. Well, it's Monday. It's the holiday Monday. It's the August long weekend. Everyone calls it something else. Civic Holiday, Terry Fox Day, Simcoe Day. It has a lot of names. We'll just call it the August long weekend. So today, we're going to go do some magnet fishing. We might tape that, but on our way, we think we'll get something for lunch, but we want a deal. So we're going to go on the internet and see what we can find. All right, so here we are, Deal Monday. It's Monday. We don't usually do videos on Monday, but if we're going to do a video, let's get a deal. So I've seen advertisements and deals for 50% off pizzas at Pizza Hut on Mondays. So let's see how it works. Order online. All right, so it still has my store in here as the York Street store. That's the one we purchased the pizza from when we did the homeless video. So we'll just keep that as a store. Let's go up and go to specialty pizzas. What the heck? It's half price. Let's get something good. All right, so veggie, Brooklyn. No, Canadian is what we would usually order, but let's get something different this time. Philly cheesesteak pizza. Tender slices of steak. I like steak. Provolone cheese. Yes. Onions, green peppers, mushrooms. American cheese. That's a little weird. Isn't American cheese like Kraft singles? I'm not sure. Let's get that one. We'll hit the customize button. All right, so what the heck? It's half price. Let's get an extra large, right? Okay, we're going to add that to the order. All right, I think that's enough. Extra large pizza for Lucinda and I. We'll never eat that, so let's check out. Now, coupons. Now, I know the code, and we could just put it in, but let's see if we can get it from the coupons right here. All right, so coupon codes. And there it is. 50% off all pizzas at menu price, Monday only. Add the coupon. Okay. Review order. It's a little slow here. There we go. All right. So we say $10.50. There you go. Half price. Let's go ahead and continue to checkout. And we'll try that again. Continue to checkout. There we go. And I hate people having all my information, so yeah, we're not going to give them that. Would you like to earn points towards free pizza? No, we never buy pizza from here. $11.80. Pay at the store. And place order. Now they're going to make me fill all these fields in. So we're going to cut this part out and we'll go do that. All right, so we put in the appropriate fields. Your order has been placed. And our order will be ready for pickup at 11:30. All right, so we're here at Domino's on York Street. The time is 11:30, right on the nose. So I'm going to go in and pick up the pizza, and I'll be right back. We'll have a look at it. That's different, eh? Let's have a look at this. There we go. Doesn't look bad, does it? Let's go to the spot and we'll try it out. All right, so we're here. I'm just going to put the antenna down to get it out of the way here. this is where we're going. Let me just see if I can get a shot with this camera over here. This is where we're going to go magnet fishing today. Kind of a cool spot. It's an old bridge. They turned it into a walking bridge. It used to be a car bridge until they put the new one in. All right, so let's try some pizza. What do you think, Lucinda?
Yeah.
Grab a piece of that. Now, we determined Domino's was the worst pizza, didn't we, at one point in time?
Yes, when we did the big survey.
But we weren't using specialty pizzas, were we?
No.
So here it is. This is the Philly cheesesteak, right?
Yes.
Onions, mushrooms, peppers, steak. It doesn't have a tomato sauce on it. It has like a white sauce, like an Alfredo sauce, I think.
Yes.
They say it has American cheese on it. I'm not really sure what that is, but it looks okay, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, she's taking a bite. I'll take one too. Crust is fairly thin. Obviously, it's Domino's, been cooked in one of those conveyor belt ovens.
Yeah.
But all in all, I don't mind that pizza.
No, tastes really good.
It's definitely better than the tomato sauce one we had.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, half price, $10.50, extra large.
Can't beat that.
Mondays only. The code is MON50P, but you can find it on the coupon page. So, we recommend this pizza.
Absolutely.
I don't think it's bad, especially for the price. Tell us what you think. Leave a comment below. Hit the like button. Subscribe, because I'm Dave.
And I'm Lucinda.
And we're actually eating Domino's. We'll see you soon.